Hi, my name is Luis Sanchez. I am the Food and Beverage Director here at Nick's Martini Bar in Beverly Hills. And today I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry martini. It's an actual, very easy drink to make, and you can use this recipe and change up the raspberries for blueberries or blackberries, or even get creative with some mint in there if you want. So we're going to start with about 4 raspberries. And we're going to muddle this a little bit. Break the berries down. They're very easy to break down. Next, we're going to add our favorite raspberry vodka. We want to do 2 ounces of that. And we want to do 2 ounces of our sweet and sour mix. That's 1. That's 2. Ice your glass up and shake. If you have any guests at your house that don't like the pulpiness of the fruit, you can always double strain this. I personally think that it makes for a better drink. I'm gonna get a chill glass for you guys. Nice chill glass for you. All that's left is to pour it inside the glass. And garnish, of course. See that color? It's pretty amazing. I like garnishing this with raspberries. And just kind of do what you would do in a martini with olives. Just use a pick. You can use a toothpick at home. You can just drop them in there if you want. And they will balance if you create a space in between. So one more time, my name is Luis Sanchez, and this is how you make a raspberry martini.